Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to fix this issue. You have been disconnected from PlayStation network. Please connect to PlayStation network to proceed. Even though if you have connected your Stumble guys to internet, but still if you are getting means there will be one reason. Okay, already I have connected the controller, so I'm trying to play the game. Press any button, but still I'm getting this error. The root cause of the issue is very simple. You might have connected double controller while playing Stumble guys. If you have connected two controllers, in Xbox they have launched the split screen, but if you have connected another controller as guest, you will be getting this error. Example, I'm going to explain that. First I will do logout of this controller, second controller I have connected as a guest. So I'm going to log out. I'm going to try with this controller. Still I'm getting the error because I need to close the game and I need to restart the PS5 console as well. PS4 or PS5, you need to restart it. So example, you can connect your another controller either with, you need to log in actually. You need to connect with another user. For example, this primary controller I have connected with this Wiki the gamer, and the primary controller you should not be connecting as a guest. So example, if you are connecting right with another user, you will be able to play. So it's connected, okay, another user. So if I'm trying to play right, I'll be able to play. See, now it's trying to log in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this controller, okay, to another. First I will log out. If I'm connecting this controller as guest, it will not work. I will be getting that error. So this is the way you can fix that. So what you need to do is, what I'm going to do is add user and quick play. If I added this controller as quick play, right, as a second controller, if I'm trying to play with this, see, I will be getting the error. It's very simple. So either you need to connect your controller with another user, it should be login in controller, switch user, or logout, logging out guest 1. Now connect the same controller as another user. You can connect to any other user. That's it. Now you will be able to play. I am getting this error because still I didn't sign in. That's the problem. So I need to sign in, okay, with this account. Then only I will be able to play. For example, this Steve Austin user, right? I'm going to user profile and network. User accounts. Going to settings, and here user and accounts. So it's not signed in. That's why I was getting the error. So the same thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out and switch with another user. I'm going to switch with another user with the same controller. So this time I'm choosing this VK. Already I have signed in. This time if I'm playing right with the primary controller, I should not be getting any error on this Stumble guys. So I'm going to tap this X button. So that's it. So this is the way you can fix the issue. If you are not signing in, it will not work. So you need to sign in with any of the user account. So automatically you will be able to play and you can fix that error. And you can fix that error. So that's it friends, is the way you can fix that issue in Stumble guys. That's it. I hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms.